Hey, Steve here, Millionaire's Apprentice, entrepreneurs, golfers. So, anyhow, you guys probably don't know who the heck I am and why you should listen to me. So, born in LA, went to San Diego State on the golf team, had kids in San Diego. I have 4 grandkids now, and I play a lot of golf. I was a business owner when I was young, and then I retired as a mortgage broker. So that's what I did. That's who I am. I'm a golfer. I'm an athlete. Played a lot of baseball. Anyhow, so yeah, I want you to try and trust me, believe me, and listen to me because I'm trying to help you. So what you need to do, you got it. Go to the link and watch the video. Go to the link and watch the video. And if you want to know more about me, just ask. You know where I am. Cheers. Birdies and pars.